Zen, I sent you a request to unmute yourself. So unmute yourself and share screen with us. Quadri, are you here? Ogochukwu Okoli, if you can hear me, unmute yourself, share your screen. Shanta, unmute yourself. I didn't ask you to unmute yourself. Ogochukwu Okoli.
Yes, ma.
Share your screen with us so we'll see your project.
We did not join yesterday's class because of network.
You didn't join yesterday's class because of network.
That please allow us to do the subject, the finish the project today.
Okay.
Now, my
So who else
brother.
wants to show me the project?
Me and my brother, we are two. My name is Adolis and my brother's name is Destiny.
Okay, you didn't join my class yesterday. What of the other projects I asked you to do 2 days ago?
2 days ago.
Yes.
Yes.
Ifoma, good morning. Chantel, Paula, have you shared your screen? You're not ready. You have to present something to me. This is the last class. So if you know you want to share your screen with me, can you do that now?
For them to submit as I may not present. You get.
Chantel. Okay. Okay, you have a grace period, yes. Can you present if there's someone that wants to present their anything to me, it's fine. You can do that. Shanta, you want to present something to me. Who is sharing their screen? Who is this? Paula, are you muted? Whoa.
This is my family website. I did all of this yesterday.
Are you for real? This is nice. You've actually worked on the pictures.
Yes. Ma.
Oh, you've
Puppies
added for
noise.
your dad? You've
Yes.
added for your dad. Wow.
Mm,
This is nice. You did a great job.
thank you, ma. I
This is
think
lovely. I love it.
my mom.
Can you go back to
I think my mom work didn't save. I'm coming. Let me save it so that the new changes will show.
Okay.
Okay, let me reshare.
Okay.
Sorry, ma, please give me a moment.
Sure.
So this is my what I did. I've spent all night
Mm.
doing my dad's part. All night.
Are you for real?
Till
Sorry about that.
to 11:30
I'm sorry
something.
about that. I'm sorry about that. It was a job.
Thank
But you're not done working on it, right? So you can still show me the rest by Wednesday, right?
yes, ma. I'm almost done working.
That's good. Good morning, David. Yeah, you're almost done. From the look of things, you are. Um, who else? Who else? Someone wants to share their screen with me. Um, who is that? Zoe. Okay. Zoe, are you not unmuted? It's fine that you're using a mobile phone. You can just show me anything. I'm unmuting you now, so you can unmute yourself. Good. So okay, let me see what you have.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, I have to use my mobile phone. My laptop always crashes when I share my screen.
It's fine.
So
It's fine.
yesterday night, I moved all the codes to my mobile phone coding editor app, SPCK
Okay.
editor, with all the codes inside, like index.html. I changed a few
Mm,
things. Although I have not finished changing all the images, but this is
okay.
a start. So yeah, we have family
Oh,
website.
okay.
Here is
This
my
is
real
lovely.
family. This is my real
This is
family
lovely.
here,
Okay.
and these
Okay.
are families in USA and families in UK. All right.
Oh
Then
wow.
over here to is still my family. All right. So we'll go to my
Okay.
dad. Uh, sorry, come in.
Did you link it?
Dad, oh boy.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm coming.
It's fine. It's fine. Take your time.
Ma, please, can you permit me to leave the meeting so I can do a recording of the one I have on my laptop? Because this is just a copy on the mobile phone, and
Oh, okay. It's fine.
some things are not here. Okay.
It's fine. It's fine. Chantal, yes, you can share your screen.
Okay. So the video website, I see the video gallery.
Okay. So let me see what you have.
This is the video website.
Okay.
So this is the video. I found a lot of videos. and there's some local videos. Like this one, during COVID-19, my mom was really active on TikTok, so and she had these videos on her phone
Okay.
that she moved to her laptop recently. And this was when I was still in normal school. My sister was in ballet, and this is her before the real presentation.
Okay. All right.
Then this is YouTube videos that Maria and I
Yeah.
love
The
reminiscing.
embeds. Okay. This is nice. But you didn't touch it up. You didn't do anything extra to it. No styling, no
I
nothing.
was actually trying to do all of that yesterday, but it was already 9:30 and I had to join. But that was when I just left.
Okay. So you've not started working on the project I gave you.
I've started working on it, but I haven't really made any. I stayed up all night trying to do it, but my internet was really bad, so I couldn't do anything yesterday.
You know you don't need internet to use your VS Code.
Yeah, but I need internet to open this live server.
No, you don't.
I did, but
You
it
don't.
was saying that no internet, so it couldn't, so it didn't open.
Live server actually works without internet, but that's
I
fine.
don't know.
You still
It
have
was
Wednesday to. Okay. You still have Wednesday to show me. The thing is, your iframes might not show if you use if you don't have any internet. Your iframes will not show. That is the embed will not show, but your local videos will definitely play. So you don't have to get stuck looking for someone that will whose internet to use. Okay, you can always code and do anything without it. It will show what you're doing, but all these embeds might not show. So just
exact, and the
yeah, that's the
embeds are
thing.
the real flesh of gallery. I
Okay,
made this one so I can remember all these funny videos that my family and I love watching.
okay, that's wonderful. That's nice. I love it. Um, okay. So by Wednesday, I should be seeing something, right?
Yes, ma.
Yes.
Guaranteed.
That's good. Okay, okay. Who else? Tedu. Oh yeah. Share your screen. Tedu. Tedu. You can share your screen. Okay, Victor. Good morning. I'm waiting. I'm actually waiting for you. Just right click on the one you want to open and open with live server. Right click.
I think
Okay. Um, 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 I hope you're sharing your entire screen because I'm still seeing your VS Code. Um, can you stop sharing Tedu? Abby, I don't know if I can pronounce it, if I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Tedu, Tedu. So sorry if I'm not getting it correctly, but you are not sharing anything right now because you're not sharing anything right now. Zoe, where did you send it? Where did you send it, Zoe? I thought I unmuted everybody. Okay. Okay.
My still loading. It's showing is 366.1 MB, but really I do not think it is 366. But
Changing
it's
on what
still
what
loading. It
MB?
said, yeah. Well,
300, 300 and, okay,
before
did
I
you just
loaded
say
the
300
file,
and
it showed
something MB?
15 MB. I don't think it's really 366 MB because before I loaded this file, when I checked, it was only worth 15 MB space or two. I'm not sure.
Uh,
Around 1
please,
to 15. So I'm not sure this is right.
why why are
But
you sending
it's
a file of up to 151 MB? What do you have inside it?
it's the video of my website. I thought I told you before I left.
Okay, you made a video.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, while we wait for your video to send, does anybody want to share their screen with me again? Anybody? I think you have to stop sharing till you fix your issue. Okay, I can't see anything. It's fine.
Ma? Ma, are you still there?
Yes,
Or
I'm
is it
still
on?
here.
Alright.
Um, Eze, do you want to share your screen with me? I have unmuted almost everybody. I don't know why. Clinton, where are you? Still mute. Eze, come see. Okay, now like this. Clinton, I've unmuted you. Okay. Okay. Good.
Thank you, ma.
Yes, I've seen your code, but I don't know why your screen sharing is taking time. But then, what if you go to your file explorer and then just open it using Chrome or any browser you're using? I think it will make more sense since your live server is not cooperating. You're not late. You're not late. If you have something you want to share with me, you can. But that's after seeing Theodore's work. open one.
I've already finished. Yes.
Mm, Zoe, your video is not sent yet.
What? Mm, yeah, it's not. Let me try resending it. Okay.
Mm,
It's almost done. It's only my brother's part that's not it. I've done almost everything. And family activities, that's all. So I'll be sharing my screen again soon.
Okay, ma'am, resending it.
Okay. Paul, are you talking to me?
Myself.
Oh,
Somebody is listening to another class in the background. Miss Oduchi.
yes.
Miss
Yes, who is
Oduchi.
that? Yes, someone is listening to something.
Someone is listening to another class in the background.
Please, can you mute yourself if you are the one? Zoe, are you?
No.
Yes, I said so. You were not you were not in my class yesterday, right, Eze? Were you? Were you? Eze, you can actually share your website. If you are not, why didn't you watch the class? Why did you not? I gave you all a project 2 days ago and I asked you to add more things to it yesterday, and you're supposed to show me something today. But then, since you have nothing to show me, there's a grace of now to Wednesday. So on Wednesday, you will have to show me what you are able to do. I created a full website yesterday, a full page. So you can go to YouTube, go to Link School, go to web development and view the previous class so that you know what we did and what you're meant to do. I don't know why you all missed this class like most of you did. And I begged. I said it to be a very important class and the last class, but you still missed it, but it's fine. You can always rewatch it. Oh, so who else wants to share their screen with me? It's fine. You don't have to be sorry. Just go and watch the videos and practice. Does anybody want to share their screen with me?
Almost done. Just a few minutes, and I'll share my full website with you.
Huh?
I'm almost done. Just a few minutes, and I'll share my full website with you.
I thought you not added for your dad and your mom
I have.
and
It's just
you.
that the phone didn't save. That's the thing.
Oh, okay. You are not. There's no class on Wednesday. You are meant to be here to present your projects. I won't be teaching you anything extra. Wednesday is the grace for you to come and present the project. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
What happened? Just on my where my link go? My Zoom it's failing to send the video. That's one now. Okay. Send it.
Mm,
Ma, I have a question about the Link School app.
okay. What's your question?
My question is that the first and second lesson, there was no submit assignment button. It only got updated on the third lesson. Are we supposed to
Yeah,
count for the first and second?
for the assignment.
Yes.
Did you submit anything there that day?
Um, so like the submit button wasn't there until the third day.
Okay. If you want to submit previous assignments as well, you can always click on any submit button you want. That button takes you to the email, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So any file you send there will be seen, no matter the day. So the button is always to remind you that okay, it's actually very possible for you to do this. It's possible for you to do this. And it was only in the third day that they updated it. That doesn't mean you cannot send files from day one if you want to.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
The two was to send the report. Acknowledge my email.
You won't need to know because if you sent an email, you've sent an email. It will be seen. Okay. Now it's time for me to come and assess it and know what you did. Zoe, yes, you can share your screen. You can you can share your screen, Zoe. I got you. You share your screen after Zoe. Okay. Um, I thought I muted most of you. Unmute yourself, Zoe. Um, Ogochukwu, unmute yourself.
Okay, here we go. This is my family website. I couldn't share it.
Oh, okay. This is really, really, really nice. I love it.
So now this is
This is
home.
nice.
So now learn about my dad. I have not fully imputed all the images. So I've
Okay.
downloaded 3 images, but I've not put it. So this is dad. Dad is the best dad in the world. He's always there for us and he loves us unconditionally. Is our hero and
Oh,
role model.
okay.
Mom.
Can
Mom
I?
is the most. Can
But have you
you?
created any for mom?
Yeah,
Okay. You duplicated the pages and then you're changing the texts.
yeah. I'm going to change the images and some
Okay.
colors later.
Okay.
Alright, this is my brother Zenon.
Okay. That's nice. At least you've learned how to do this. I love it. This is really
This
nice.
is Zion. Oh, sorry. Here we
Okay.
go.
So all your pages are ready.
Yeah.
It's lovely. This is lovely. So you made adjustments yesterday because it wasn't looking this pretty yesterday.
No, it wasn't. I made a few adjustments.
Okay. How were you able to? Did you watch videos?
Nope. You see, I did a coding for first selection without knowing. First section.
Oh,
And the code was meant to affect this, but instead of naming this section first section, I named it title. And
okay.
the code that was for title did
You
not
were using
make this as
sections.
pretty as this. So I now changed
Okay.
its name, then removed the code for title and added a few touch to the first section in Star
Okay. So
CSS.
that's lovely. So for this your navigation bar, the nav, you can still add more gap. You know that, right? Because it's looking so close.
Alright.
Yes, you
The
can add more gap to it.
thing is, when I tried adding gap, it did not affect in any way.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Did you display that UL? Did you display it as flex? Can you
Yes.
let me see your screen? UL flex list style type none. Um align items center as well. Did you skip that part? Align item center. Why is there an error?
Misspelled spelling because I clustered it together. Because of this dash in the middle. So the computer recognizes it as misspelled. Alright, and now it's gone. Okay,
Okay.
let me check it now.
So is it
Um,
changing at all?
nope, it didn't do much.
It's not affecting it. Why? What's wrong with the code?
I don't know. Let me go back to the HTML and go to that exact UL. Alright, found the UL.
No. Wait. You should have li for each
Yeah,
of it.
for each of it.
You should have li and then a inside, another li, a inside.
Okay, let me quickly
Do you
edit
understand?
that.
Do you understand
So,
what I mean?
yeah.
Yeah, you have how many a tags? They should be shielded by li each. No, just copy one line, write li in between the li. You paste one, copy another. You don't need to delete everything. Do you know that? You don't need to
I'm not
delete
deleting
everything.
it. I'm cutting it.
Okay. Okay. But then you will not get to.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Wait. Alright.
Okay, that's a smart move. You're copying everything. Control X is a shortcut for cutting, and Control V
Yeah,
is a
but
shortcut for.
wow, so it gives me suggestions. All right.
Okay.
Yes, I'm done. Oh, yeah, and index
Mm,
the HTML.
are you done pasting the A?
Sorry.
Okay. You know what will happen is this. Because you've made changes to this particular one, you need to copy out the entire nav. Copy, not, I didn't say you should cut. Copy so that you make changes to the rest, to the
Yep.
other places. You know, you copied and pasted as well. Just make sure the link is okay so that um you don't have to go back editing, and editing.
Sorry, my control buttons don't work. I honestly don't know why.
Okay,
I've
okay,
told my
okay.
mom.
Maybe
So
it
I'll
has something
just
to do with the.
sorry.
No, it's fine.
Right. Control
C,
C.
not X.
Alright. I know. I did.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Then you can now go to other pages. Okay, just the nav. Okay,
Yeah.
control control V. Good.
Okay. Nav
Mm,
V. So this is the remaining mom and dad. So let me just quickly
okay.
finish that. Then I'll check it out. X V. Okay, finally the dad.html. We'll just scroll
Okay.
up and then we'll go. All right, let me check it out. Okay, Ma.
Okay. It's working now, right? Good. So you can actually decide to adjust it. If you don't want it to be this big, the space to be this much, but it's okay still. So I like it better this way. You can increase the font or reduce it, anything you want to do, or increase the weight of the
Okay.
fonts.
The space is too much, so I'll just quickly reduce it. All right,
That's
it
it. Yeah.
affects it. All right, so now
Yeah.
the space is
Yay.
reduced.
Yeah. It's actually cool.
This
Really
is
nice.
a little. So, all right. Okay, I like this.
Okay, that's fine. You did a good job.
Ma,
I love it.
is there a way we can attach images to the side of each of these allies? I mean, ATAGs, like an
Uh,
image to the
or
side.
an icon.
Yeah, something like that.
An icon. Yes, it's very very possible. There's nothing you cannot do um with code there. It's very possible. But then, have you ever seen a navigation bar with an image? Like right
Uh,
beside the. You can see icons, but not image.
yeah, not images. So
Yeah.
how do you add icons? I don't know how to. I only know the and NDSP icon and copy, which is there are copies for footer and NDSPs for buttons.
Okay. Had you know what font awesome is?
Fonts,
Awesome. Write it down. Font awesome.
fonts, awesome. Coming.
Okay.
Fonts,
Fonts close together. Awesome. They are close. All AWE. AW.
awesome.
AWE. Yeah.
I mean, wait, is it a style?
No, fontawesome.com. Like it's a website where you can get icons.
Oh, no
Okay.
wonder. Just when I was coding my
It's a
Minecraft with
it's
the help of my friend.
it's a website, and then you have to add the link they will provide when you get to the
And I
website.
would
You
like to show you, I like to show you some of the things I've done. This is a you
I'm
don't even
coming.
want to know about it. I'll just skip it that.
Okay.
What is this? Nope, not this one. Yeah, this one. I created this new game. Sorry. Oh God, what is wrong with me? Internal family website to the past. Oh, I can't really find what I've done a long time ago, but
Okay,
I
you've been
can
doing
show you some of the things I've posted. Not this one.
this is nice.
I
Uh-uh.
posted all of these things.
This
This
is
I
nice.
scrapped this project. This was horrible. I did this with my friend Slow Writer. I also did this with my
Okay.
friends Orange Jam. Even though and I did this alone. This was alone. I did it with a different account, so I can only clone it. So it doesn't really do anything. I'm looking for the exact this was my calculator. This was my simple clock. That was not me. This was one of my friends that showed me. It was horrible. I tried creating ChatGPT, but I named it Mr. Bot, and I did not like it in the end. This was scratched. This was calculator 2. Oh yeah, I tried recreating the game in Chrome. It wasn't that good, but I tried. And it takes a while before he actually responds. So I'm going to fix that. So you have to hit it before it gets there. So that's it. Oh yeah, and
Wait,
I'll show
Zoe,
you my flag. Yeah?
did you create that the game
Yes.
with what?
Well, I am a programmer, so I use the JS
Oh,
style of HTML.
oh, that's nice.
This was crashed. I tried to create Minecraft. Do not ask me about that.
Okay.
This is a ticking game. And yeah, these are all the things I've created. I created so many login webs. That's why you see so many different login webs. Oh yeah, and this is my favorite game. It took me like a week to create this. Me and my friend, me and my friend Rouge created this game. It was a very hard but frustrating but eventually easy game. So it's so simple, you smash the blocks. it's a phone game. We've not made it functional for laptops yet. And besides, this was over 2 years ago. So I scrapped it. Now I'm in the current
This is
process.
this is good, Zoe. This is really, really, really good. You created this game.
This game is extremely hard. Let me show you all the scripts. It's over thousands and thousands of lines of coding. Well, I did
Serious.
learn this from some of my friends. This is another script.js. This is for the timing. This script.js is for the entire timing, while this one is for the 3D action. As you can see, these are all the colors that come. Only these colors come and nothing else. So yes, this is all. The HTML was pretty simple since we did not need to do anything. Since the HTML was just there to help us run the code. So this was my favorite game. It took me time to create it, but I am so happy I created it. So these are all I have. I was learning animation then. This was for my list. This was when I was trying to make a app for music. This is the Scratch project. I was trying to recreate Termux. Login web. Oh yeah, and this is the hover effect, kind of like a hover effect. But let's say anything you want. Like so, if you click here, yeah, that's simple. So these are some of the things that I've done together with my friends.
How do you?
And you're asking how I do it? Well, when I started coding, which was like 4 or 3 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago, I was pretty young. I really
That's
liked
lovely.
coding, so it
Okay,
takes
let me
time
see
to
some of
learn.
the games again. Let me see some of the games again.
Sure, hold on. This is
Color.
this is a game. This is a game. This is a game. This is the oh god, is the Mexican version. He wanted to make it for his friends. I just gave him the codes and he named everything. He renamed everything to his language. Alright, this is a calculator, regular websites. This is horror. This was when I was trying to recreate ChatGPT and Gemini, but he does not really talk to you much. He just tells you this did not work, that did not work. Alright, let's say hello, and you say unexpected. That's the only thing you can say. It's not really an AI.
Okay.
As you can see, this is all. Yep, and time for me to show you the scripts.
Oh wow. Okay.
The thing is, I like .json way better than .js. Why? Because
You
I
write
learned
JSON.
.json. Yes, I write
Oh.
because I'm a gamer, so I had to learn JSON so I can create mods for Minecraft, of course. And
That's
this is
lovely.
.git ignore. And these are the functions. These are the functions. This is the style. I don't really do much style, but I don't like styling. I don't like styling.
You don't like
I wish I
styling,
could
why?
get really because I like styling. I don't like styling outside of HTML. I like styling inside. If you check most of like when I recreated Minecraft, if you check it, it was the whole Minecraft game was in HTML. There was no JS, there was no CSS. I did the
Okay.
script in the HTML using the script tag, and I did the style in the HTML using the style tag. So
Okay.
because I don't like styling like that. So let me show you one app I created. I created an app, me and my friend, and
You
see it.
created an app.
Yep, me and my friend remote animation. This
Okay.
was a nice project. Using all the 3D knowledge I learned. Yes, in order to create a new project, you have to watch it out. But using all the things I learned, I was able to create 3D software that will allow you build, render, create, cut, edit different 3D because I am a 3D
This
artist and I like 3D. No, this is not it. This
this
is
is
an ad.
lovely.
I have to watch an ad too.
This is
So I so enjoyed the game. I mean, I so enjoyed the 3D. This is not it. This is just an ad, so I can use it.
okay.
So I just have to wait for the ad to finish. Okay, it's about to finish. Okay, so
Whoa.
now we can create a new project. New project. Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go. It's a 3D app, pretty simple. The 3D was hard. Why? Because I thought it would be just like Menja, but it was nothing like Menja. Why? Because I
Okay.
had to use touch controls. If I was using a computer, if I was making it for a computer, it would have been much easier. But it was supposed to be for an Android, and I don't really make stuff for Android like that. So it was a very hard project. So see, you can import it. It uses. Let's say you have an item, a 3D model. It
Mm,
uses a bunch of coordinates and maps, uses them together to become one file, then
okay.
exports them to become a large rendered frame. 3D
Okay.
object, sorry. So this is the app.
Okay.
I enjoy this app. Yes,
This
and
is
this is pretty
lovely.
much all I do. Oh yeah, and
That's
also
nice. That's nice. Okay. You're really
let's see.
a tech genius.
Here are some of the things I created. I was trying to create Iron Man. That was horror. Yes, and this is my Minecraft character. Nope, not this one. Yes. Let me show you. Oh yeah, this is the video I did for my baby brother, my youngest brother.
Oh wow.
Can you hear it?
Yes, I can still hear you.
Yes, and the reason why in all of my videos is Zokesh Animation Studio is because I have a YouTube channel, right?
This is really really
This was my
nice.
first
Yeah.
Minecraft project. That's horror.
Okay.
Um, this is the mod I tried creating. These are all the resources I use. Skip, skip,
Okay.
skip. Oh yeah, and this is the one I did for my mom.
Hmm. Okay. Um. Oh. Whoa. Your mom is pretty. Okay. It's fine. The way. Let's give others a chance to share their screen as well. Okay. You're really, really,
Thanks
really
everyone
doing
for watching.
great. You're welcome. You're doing great. Keep it up. Okay.
All right.
Let me go back to the chat and see if you will have. There's somebody that is meant to show their screen next. Who is that?
Chioma, she said she wants to show her screen next.
Someone said
Chioma,
something. Ogochuku should go next before Choma. She
wait.
indicated first. Yes, he's very creative. Ogochuku, are you sharing your screen? Okay, Choma, it's
No,
fine.
Chioma is not saying as well.
Okay. Hmm. This is lovely. Yes, I love it. Uh, okay. Did you display your images as flex? No? Choma, are you muted? Let me unmute yourself. Choma, unmute yourself. Okay,
Noise
good.
in the background.
Huh?
Please, there's noise in the background.
Your own your own background.
Yes, that's why I stayed muted.
Okay, it's fine, but I can still hear you.
Okay,
Same.
I'm not done with the other pages. I'm planning to
Yeah.
submit it on Wednesday. Well, this is just it. I did the
Like
nav bars fixed. I did the nav bars fixed position, and then I now use a color scheme of monochrome blue to do the.
sorry, Choma, I was doing something. No, stop! Don't stop sharing. Share your screen. I want to get something quickly. Don't stop sharing, please. I want to make some corrections. Good. Okay, your website is really, really, really pretty. You did it so nice. But your navigation bar, when you are writing the title of your, okay, let's say your nav, the list, you shouldn't be using long names like brother and sister. It will make it look weird. Okay, you can actually decide to say brother and then another one sister, so that the spaces will be okay. Because this one you said my little brother and sister, it's all looking nice, don't you think? Chama?
No, it
Okay,
was
yes.
actually
So
a
instead of,
mistake.
oh, okay, 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 but it's lovely.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, can you hear me? I said this is
Okay.
nice. Can you scroll down? Let me see. Okay. The your images, did you display them as flex?
No.
Okay, I like how you blended blue, different shades of blue. Your website is really nice though. Ah, have you been writing HTML for a while?
Eh?
Have you been writing HTML and CSS before now?
No. It just
This is your
started
first time.
this holiday.
Wait.
Yes.
Oh, this is lovely. You're really, really doing well for just a short time. I love it.
Okay. Thank
I
you.
love it. You're welcome. Okay. Okay. Who else? Please do. Please will you be willing to join me on my next project? It's a movie titled The Natural Ninjas. Okay, wait. I want the
Man,
African
don't say
Universe.
it out.
Well, then everybody can see the chat. Everybody can see the chat. Don't you
It's a
think?
direct message. It's a direct message.
Oh my god! I didn't know. Okay, I didn't know. I thought you sent it to everybody. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, I sure no one can see it.
Yep, 100% sure. I mean,
Okay, that's good.
that's what I think. I'm not so sure.
Okay. Oh, okay. That's why I said I should have. Oh, okay. Definitely. But what you're doing is not actually okay. It's fine. I'll get this saved now.
First of all, I'm going.
Okay. Yeah. Chantal, I've unmuted you. Okay. Does anybody have something to show me at this point?
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Who? Okay.
Just a minute. I'm done with my website. My BROTHR done the fact that the phone. Okay, I'm done. Finally done. I only need to plan the family activity page, and that can be done in a minute. Oh wait, I've not customized
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Find a good image of him. Let me check this one. A lot of images, so it's hard to kind actually find one.
Okay.
165 images to be
Whoa.
exact. So if I can't find it, I'll just upload the one I have from my computer.
Yeah, you can actually use
Yeah.
any image you want.
0090. Found it.
Good.
0090. Oh, where is it? Mm. Need to make you 010. Okay. Control S. Saved. And now I'm sharing my screen.
Okay.
Entire screen. From the line of someone.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. Then what did I write?
Where is the mic coming from?
It's supposed to not. It's yeah. The man is supposed to be my brother, but then it's missed. The brother part has been missed out.
Okay.
Go back to my VS Code and go back that. Control S. Then
Okay.
share your screen. Share. Come on, man. Stay. I'll correct that there. I don't know why that's not working there. So,
Okay.
as you've seen before, this is the dad part. This is the mom part.
Okay. Oh.
The part that I didn't for. Yes, that's me.
Okay. I like it. You know, you can make this look better. I mean, the one, two, three that you have there. You can always, you
I
know,
do, but I like it list like this.
if you come to a website and
That
yeah, you have a text just portioned in the center, I only want it.
mm,
Mm? You want it?
hmm,
You like it that way?
yes. This is my mom.
Okay.
This is me.
Hmm. But then this is not the person I saw in the first image. The family picture. Is that you
Hello.
still? Hi.
Yes, this is birthday. This was
Is that
my
you?
mom's birthday. This was photo shoot. Yes.
And then the other one is still you.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. Hmm. I like it. I like it. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, you love to cook. I love it. Ah, lovely. Lovely. I love your website. But then
Thank
you
you.
still show me something on Wednesday, right?
I'll add
You
to my
have to. You have to add some things. I don't want your text to be looking this way. I want it to look better. Find a way to align it and probably make it look like a card. I don't know.
I'll add all the changes I think are needed.
Okay.
This was just scrapped together in 2 days. So
Yeah, you did well. You did well. Nice job.
this is my I also want to link this my family website to take me to the family this page here. I'll do that later.
Okay. Oh,
But
okay.
entire this is my entire what do you call it?
I like
My
this.
entire website.
I love it. I love it. I love it. You did a good job, Paula. As always.
Thank you, ma.
Nice one. Congratulations. So Wednesday, you have to show me something. Okay.
Okay, ma.
Good. Good. So anyone else?
I also had a gallery using all the
Mm.
images I've used and so like I wrote, but I'll add it later today.
Yeah, you can add it there.
So how would we be getting our certificates, please?
That will be communicated with you.
Okay.
Okay. Ogochiku, you can share your screen now. Um, can you still hear me? Can you all still hear me? Okay. So Ogochiku, you want to share your screen with me? Can you do that now?
Hello, are
Hi.
you still there?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Because everything paused for a while, then I was like, what? Is it ended?
No, it hasn't. Okay. Okay.
Toluchi,
Yes.
so I want to create my mom's part of the website, and I want to put some of our pictures there, but it's not working.
Why are you using the right tags?
Yes, I'm using the right tag.
And you're trying to add an image, but it's not working. How? Why?
I do not know.
Hmm?
I do not know.
Is it inside a folder?
Yes.
Did you call the folder before you called the other one?
What did you say?
Did you call the
What did you say?
folder? Did you call the folder? Did you call the folder before the image?
Yes. Yes, I did.
So can I say?
Okay. Which is it? This last one here.
Okay, let me see. Hmm?
This one here. This one I highlighted here. I'm talking about.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Zubin? Oh, dude, I'm not playing Minecraft for your information.
What is this
What did you
TD
say?
I'm
I'm
seeing
done with
here?
my own.
What is
I'm
the
just
last?
listening to boring people talk about boring stuff. So what is that doing? Oh, boring people talking about Free Fire. I recently just downloaded it. Never played Free Fire in my life. Daddy plays Free Fire. Daddy plays Gongi.
Sorry,
Just one.
can you
Drunk.
please keep quiet for a bit? I'm trying to listen to what the teacher is saying. Thank you.
Have you gotten rid of the TD?
Yes, I have.
So let me see if your image is showing. Huh?
Thank Let me do
Yeah, yeah, that's right. Is it showing?
that. No, this is where it's supposed to be.
Okay. Can you go back? Let me see.
Go back to the VS Code.
Yes.
This,
So where did you say it
oh,
is? Where did you say your folder is?
this is the folder. It's under Anime Chibi.
So why are you not calling the name of the folder before adding the images?
This is it. I put Anime Chibi here. I
Okay.
put it there.
Can you open the mom.jpg? Let me see.
Okay,
Like here, just click on it.
this is it.
It's an image. Okay, go back to the other code. Anime chibi. Mm,
Maybe there's something in your style not making it to work. Maybe there's something in your style.
What could be there in my style that is not making it to work?
Mm.
Is it not the
we
same?
have
The
we
same
also
code I
have
use
to.
in the gallery is the same code I'm using here. Yes. No
Yes,
mix-up.
but then you have to. You cannot beat your code. Sometimes it will act funny, and that's when you need to calm down and carefully observe because you see worst cases where you know that you are sure that you didn't do anything wrong, but it's still not working. So you
I'm
have to
sure
calm
that
down and care.
I didn't do any. I'm sure that I didn't do anything wrong. That's why I called your attention to it.
Can you go to the first image, the image tag?
Oh, wait
The
a minute.
mom.jpg.
IMG. Wait, Chantel, there's the photo mom with Morire. Is that
Yeah,
on VS Code? Is that with
it's
on VS
it's not
No,
even
I
inside
just
a folder.
it's not yet there. It's not
It's not
there.
there.
Wait, it's not there. I just put it there. So I'll know, okay. The first one I want to put it as mom with Moire. The second one I want to put is
So
mom with me.
which one
And
are
then
you
the
expecting
other
to
one out.
see?
This last one here. This one. This
Okay,
one.
can you
This is the one I'm
okay now
working on
let's
with.
see. Okay.
What did you
Can you
say?
get rid of delete the in the name of the folder and all that you put there in the image? Delete it. Let me see. Let me okay now let me carefully observe your code. You have your style code to width and height. Okay, now start writing the folder name. Annie. Wait, it's not giving you any suggestion.
No.
Why?
But this is it. Look at this is the anime chibi here.
Click on it. Have you closed it?
This is it.
Okay.
It's open like this.
So why is it not giving you anything? Click on IMG.
Huh?
Click on the other folder.
What
I'm
did you
seeing there.
say?
IMG, the image,
This
the
one.
IMG folder. Yes. Let me see what's inside.
Okay. Under it is
Okay.
anime chibi. Then under the anime chibi is now it's including manga
Okay.
chibi.
So start type it out as well. Continue. Do the add the slash forward slash in the anime chibi.
Uh,
Anime chibi or anime chibi. It's not suggesting it. That means it's not really seeing your folder. What did you say the name is again? Where is
anime
it?
chibi
Where is anime chibi?
under IMG. This is it.
That
Right
means
under
it's
IMG.
inside IMG. That means it's inside IMG. That means you have to call IMG and then call Anime Chibe before it sees it. Why did you put a folder inside IMG?
Is that better?
Can you start writing it from the beginning? Let me see. IMG. Do you have anything like image?
Image
Huh?
that
Yes. I don't understand. Like what?
It's giving you a suggestion of image. Where is the image? Can you click on the folder image there? This is why you have to make your website like your code, your folder organized because what you have there is a whole lot. I don't even know. I thought we said something about
but I thought we
creating a different folder for this website.
this
Click on
website.
the image, the image folder. That means the third one I'm seeing there. No, the third one.
This
No, no,
one.
no. I'm talking about the files. The files. Left sidebar.
This one.
I'm saying image. Yes, click on it. Let me see. Click on it.
That's a whole lot of I've clicked on it. That's a whole lot of pictures and videos that I plan to use for the website.
So where is my family coming from?
So my family is in IMG, where
No.
Anim Chibidi is also.
Click on my family. Let's see where your folder is hidden. My
It's already
family.
open. Under my family, we have image. Then
Then
under
on that image
my
you have
family
what?
again, we have the bestie. We have
Then under
bestie.html.
then
And
under
then
our
we have
image you have what? Where is your anime chibi hidden?
anime chibi is under IMG. And under anime chibi is under IMG. Then under that anime chibi is now mom.jpg because I didn't want to get the mom.jpg mixed up with every other. So I can just know where to go to find that mom.jpg.
Okay. Then can you
That's
keep
it.
complete the thing you already started writing? IMG slash.
Okay.
I don't think
Anime.
I don't think we can call a folder under a folder. I don't think it's possible.
It's actually very possible because your web
People are
page is inside
doing
a
it.
folder.
It's possible. Hold on.
But yours is mixed up. That's the thing. It's not really seeing this folder here. That means something is up.
Okay, so if so many things are there, it will get confused.
It will not get confused if you are calling the right thing.
I'm
I wish I can
calling
actually
the
access
right thing.
your
You can see
expression.
it here. You can see it
But
here.
the,
Anime chibi.
but there are chibi anime
Yeah,
and there's cute. There's other photos for anime chibi.
Is there?
Yes, look, vertical image, cute anime chibi girl, mermaid queen, chibi anime
that's
fox
not the
characters.
one I want. Oh,
But it's the folder name that we're looking for. Actually, we're trying to target the folder name. And is it? Can you just drag it out of there? Drag the folder out of the IMG. I think you're mixing it up.
okay.
Drag it into my website itself.
Not inside my
Try
family.
drag
Just
it in
Move it into my website
just
itself. Drag it up to my website.
right here.
Yeah, something like that.
Not working. Oh, not working.
just move it out. Just pull it out. Just outside. Close the
Pull it
index.html.
out on the. Oh,
Yes, you want. Yes, move it. You want to move now, don't you? Not inside a folder. I said outside. Just go close to index. Close other. Close every folder you have. Like close the IMG. Okay, the animation is actually inside IMG. So just take it out.
wait. I have an idea. Let me go to file export. Let me go to file explorer and then bring go to the IMG itself and then bring anime chibi out of it from the desktop itself. Then we now have anime chibi outside. Yeah, I think that's better. Now we go to VS Code. Yeah, it's outside. It's outside.
So it's now outside.
Yeah, it's outside IMG now.
So try check if it will see the anime chibi.
Okay.
Yeah, just
Let me go to the
delete.
IMG.
Good.
Then
Any. It's not even giving you the suggestion still.
no, I don't
But
understand
was
this
it
VS Code. This is the same thing it was doing yesterday.
okay? Do the slash and then add the image name you want to slash. Make sure it's really mom.jpg that is
Yeah,
there.
this mom the JPG that is there.
Can you open it?
It's mom
Yes.
the
Okay.
JPG that is
So
there.
let's try and go back. I don't really understand why you have a whole lot of folders inside one folder.
Okay,
And
you
it's
know
not
what
really
I'll do?
about.
I'll just remove. I'll go into my family
But,
and remove the image.
but wait, can you view it first? Let's see
View.
if there's a change. View the image like in your browser. You've made changes now.
Yes.
Let's see.
Still not working.
Did you save?
I saved there. I clicked on Control S.
And you're opening with live server.
Yes. Let me open this lifestyle. Still not working.
It's still not working.
I don't understand this thing at all. This is why
So what
people
could be?
don't want to come for web designing. It takes a lot of observation.
Yeah, it takes a lot of your brain. That's why those that do it are really, really, really smart
Yeah.
people. You don't give
I
up
wanted to
because
go
it's
for
difficult.
graphic designing, but my mom said you want to be a scientist in future, Abby. You have to go for that web design.
Yes. So go back to your code and carefully check where the problem is coming from. Your code is the thing is this your code is already your folder is already messy like a messy room. You don't really know what my family folder here is about, what the
You
other
know
one
what?
is about. The thing is this. Let me see. Go back to your code.
Okay.
Why do you have a folder about my family inside here?
Well, that's the one I wanted to use for the family website.
I told you to create a folder outside in your desktop and open it using your Visual Studio Code, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So why are you doing everything here? You now have a folder where you added bestie.html, this one.html, and you also have other ones outside lying out.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that my family outside.
Yes. Just yeah, since it's a folder on its own, just copy it and then go to your desktop
Okay, so this is
and
my
drop it
family. I've
there.
just dragged it. Done.
Yes. Then go to your
This is it.
desktop and drop. Go to your desktop. Is this a desktop? No, no, no. Like in your File Explorer. Go to your desktop.
Oh, okay,
Go
so this
to an empty space. Go
yeah.
to an empty space below. Right click and paste it. Are you sure you copied something?
Yeah,
You didn't. You didn't copy it.
I didn't copy it. I dragged it out of. I didn't copy it.
You're supposed to copy it now.
Wait, I thought I was supposed to drag it out.
If you copy something, it wouldn't actually show in the other VS Code. Like one time I tried to copy a file from one file to another file, but it didn't actually work. Why was that?
That you did. You did what?
It didn't actually work.
What did you try to
To just
copy?
make it.
And HTML, it says this HTML is not available. When I tried to copy the entire file
And then you copied it and you pasted it where?
in another, so like I have three different folders for my HTML. I have one where I do my homework, the one where I put out everything we do in class, and the new one we just created yesterday.
Okay, and you tried copying a full file,
Yes,
and then you pasted it somewhere else.
yes, and it didn't work.
Okay. You went inside that folder and you pasted the name of that file
Yeah,
.html, and it
yeah.
didn't appear there.
Nope.
There might be
Probably
reasons why
didn't
it didn't
copy
work.
it properly. You probably didn't copy it properly. Like maybe use Control C. But the most trustable way that you do it is just right click, go to the copy option. That Control C, it has given me problems. In fact, there was a big project I was doing in my ICT section, my ICT subject for school, on my laptop. And then I used Control C. I had to start everything just the night before the due date. So that Control C is not trustworthy at all.
Yeah, you don't use Control C for everything. Some you really, really need to right click and directly copy, or at least highlight and do the Control C.
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
Okay, so now, why is it not working?
Can you? Did you copy? No. Should you copy it? Have you copied the folder? Then go to desktop. No, you don't need to minimize anything. Go to desktop. This one. Okay. Empty space. Right click and paste.
Uh,
Have you?
yes, I have.
So, are you sure it has everything? Can you open that my family for me? Let me see if it has all the index you need, all the .html you want. Good. Okay, now you can go back. Go back to the My Family. Just go to the arrow back. Yeah, click on it. Okay. No, desktop. Now right click and open using Visual Studio
Sorry,
Code.
I'll be right back. I need to quickly check something.
It's fine. You can stop sharing.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay. Where is your family? Okay. No, go back to desktop like here. I wish I can just.
The one highlighted.
Yes, right click it and open using Visual Studio Code.
Okay.
Right click, right click. Um, Click on it first. Why is just giving not giving you options? Click on it. Click on the folder itself.
Okay.
No, I didn't say double tap. Like just click,
Done.
click. Have you?
Yes, I have.
Then right click. Let me see why it's not showing you there. Scan get access.
Still not working.
So is it working now?
Sorry, sorry. Hello. Paul, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Sorry.
Is there a network or something? But seriously, Chantal, why didn't you create a new folder from your desktop instead of just
My sister, I tried. This is my mom's laptop, and she's an educationist. So, as I said, that she will have so many folders, and which means I will get it confused and get myself into serious trouble if I mistakenly um delete one of her folders. So yeah.
Oh, okay. But I like your website.
Thank you very much.
So could you finish the index page?
I finished it. Well, okay, I've not yet finished it, but I can still like. Oh, error. Wow, how unfortunate.
Wait, are you using Copilot for code?
Yeah, it
No,
helps.
I just
Just
asked
like
it a few questions.
okay.
I asked it a few questions, but I don't understand.
So are you not
So
sharing
it
your
just
screen?
gives me like a sample page. I'm still sharing my screen. I was waiting for you. Probably your name.
Yeah, my network was bad. So You've not opened it. Go to your file.
Like open my family website
No, go to
and my
file.
family file.
No, file in your VS Code.
Okay.
No,
Oh,
VS Code
okay.
file.
Like this new
File. No,
file right
like
here.
the this. Can you see my kuzo? This one.
Let me-
Can you see my kuzo? Like,
Okay, how about this? I'll give you slight privileges so that you'll be able to go to anywhere you my device. How about that?
I can't see your screen.
Mr. Lucci, are you there?
Yes, I am. I
That's
said
it.
you should
Okay.
go. Click on the file. Click on this file here. Click on the file.
Wait, I was saying something.
I couldn't hear anything you said.
This
Huh?
I said, how about I give you how about I give you slight privileges so you can go to anywhere you want on your device.
Yeah, you can if you want. If you want to.
You have a lot.
Or how about you just use
Can you go to your
annotation?
file? Just go to your file.
Go to file itself, not
Just stop. Just stop bad. Just here the file. Just left here. The file here. It's written file. Close to edit. You've gone to selection. No, no, no. You've gone to selection. There's edit. There's file right
Okay,
next
okay,
to it. Yes.
this one.
Yes. Click on it. Go to open folder. No. Open folder. Good. Then go to desktop.
What do you say?
Go to desktop. Desktop. Good. Then look for my family. Yeah. Click on my family. Select folder. Now it's open. Yes, I trust the authors. Now it's open.
I am the
You can now
author.
open that one you're working on. You can also decide to now go to that folder and copy the Annie. Paula, why are you so happy today? It's your birthday. Can't she even hear me?
hear you, ma.
Why are you so happy today?
Just happy. I made my own website from scratch in 2 days after staying up.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
feeling when
yeah,
you do a major
yeah.
accomplishment. Like me
Yes,
when I
that's
got
true.
80 something on my common entrance.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I get the feeling. I get the feeling. Okay, so now you can now copy your folder and paste it inside my family. Go to your Explorer. Go to your Explorer just the same way you were adding images. Since you already have one inside a folder called Anichibi. You're still laughing, Chantel.
It's the way Paula is dancing. He's a clown.
Anyway, she's having fun.
That major accomplishment vibe is very our
Yeah.
dance is okay. So I've opened my family file. And then what next?
I said inside your file explorer.
My file.
You will now go to that place you have your folder already. The one you called Anichibi, Abi
Anime
Anichibi.
chibi.
Anime Chibi, eh.
You Igbos and your pronunciation.
Is that Yoruba?
It's not Yoruba, it's English. Pure English.
It's anime. But you mentioned it with something. So it sounded like a local name.
That's true.
Anime chibi. Simple. Even Japanese, you can be Japanese.
Yeah, you're meant to separate it with at least a
I
hyphen, so we'll
I
know
have
it's
my
two
reason for
different
not
words.
separating it. My reason is
Okay.
it was making it hard for me because I didn't know whether to put a space or to put a slash or something. Yeah.
Okay, now go to your anime chibi.
This
Okay.
is it.
Okay, go back and then copy the folder.
Okay,
Yes, click on anime chibi. No, I didn't say you should open it, just to right click and copy.
done.
Then go to desktop.
When it copies, does it copy to clipboard?
Yes, it's already there. So go to desktop, open the my family,
Okay.
and then right click. So now your folder is inside. Can you go back to your VS Code and try adding it all over again? Let's see
Okay.
if something is wrong with your VS Code.
Animate is here.
Okay, can you go to
Mom.h.
mm,
Okay.
is that where you want to add it? In your mom?
Hmm? Okay, wait.
Mom.html. Is that where you want to add it? Is this what you've been showing me since?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
See, I just put this right here. I put it so that it can be easy to switch between
Hmm?
pages. Like, okay, so you've gone to index.html already, and then in the
Yes.
taskbar, you just click on more.html.
Okay. Yes, okay. Go to the mom. Let me see.
Done.
Let me see where you want to add the image.
Okay.
Let me see where you want to add the image.
This here.
Okay. Okay. Can you follow the link?
Okay.
Control and let's see if it will open something.
Oh, okay, it
Okay,
did.
good. So let's see if it's now working in the browser.
Finally.
Yay! You see? So coding is not so hard like you think. It's just
Oh,
calm down and get it right.
if only if only coding was so simple, I would have been done with this mom page, and I would have been done with Mori and Chiamaka. So, yeah.
Yes. But you know you've not
And
done
the only
any
one
hero
I've done
page.
is home. I've done home
Uh,
and oh wait, I haven't done it. I've done home and mom. Simple.
so where's your home?
Even the home, I still had it.
Where's your home?
Short. Open. Can't you see it?
This is the home.
Yeah, I still need to
So
add
why are
it.
why are you
Like
clicking on
add
mom and it's
family
opening home?
details.
You're clicking on mom and
Mm-mm.
it's opening home.
See, this is home. This is home already, right? Okay, so then I'll go to mom, and then this is
So
home.
how do
So
I
I
go back to
added
home?
this tag. I added this navbar. I added this navbar here so that it would be easy to go back to home or any other page.
So it
Okay,
shows
every
your
navigation bar should have the same link that takes it to different places. Even if you are in home, let it still have home. It doesn't matter, okay?
Oh,
Okay, yeah,
but
so
I've
it
seen
should have the
websites
same
that
thing.
are not like that. I've seen websites that are not like that.
It's always best to keep it there.
Okay, like maybe if it redirects you to another page that is not even the page like that.
Yes. That's why they leave the nav the same way. You create it and you leave it that way. You don't decide to change the pages you have for each nav. You make it fixed, and that's it. So now your navigation bar is looking funny. Do you know why?
How?
Because your logo and your text are worlds apart. Why is that?
Right. Okay.
You displayed it as flex as well.
Yes, I did.
Oh, I no. It should be close to each other. It should be close to each other.
I
What's
wonder
your
how if my hand is hurting right now. But I'm not even writing creative writing or anything, and my hand is hurting from just typing and doing a lot. I wonder how those web developers do it, where they will have thousands of redirection
Yeah,
pages
thousands of
like
lines of
Google and Bing and
exactly?
all the search engines. I I'm sorry for
Exactly.
them.
Exactly. It's not easy. So it's actually cool that you started this tech journey early, because by the time you get to a certain age, you must have been a pro by then.
I
So I just
have
hope you
been
don't give up on this.
I have been techie since I was like 3 years old. I would
You see?
actually I remember going on my mom's phone and then I will open Scratch. Yeah, Scratch was my baby step into the tech world. I will open Scratch and then just fiddle around with the codes.
That's nice. So you see, so before you get to a certain age now, before you become an adult, you must have been a pro by then. All of you, like, as long as you don't give up on this,
My
because if you
mom
give
said
it
that I
much
will
break,
say it's just like mathematics. If you stop, we forget. They constant thing.
yes, yes, you don't stop. You keep learning because it doesn't even wait for you. By the time you
Mhm.
decide to come back to web development, there's already another language that people are using and not really HTML, H5. Because
Yes, it's
there's
true.
HTML4, there are different versions. So you keep learning, you keep evolving.
Okay, then
Because if
which
you take a
you said there
break,
are different versions.
yes, there
There
used
are
to be
different versions of
HTML4. There used to be HTML4, and it's quite different from HTML5,
there
which
are
is the
which
one we are using now.
okay,
We're
but
using
you're using
5.
HTML5 now.
Yes. So if it changes to another direction, you are going with that flow. Definitely. You'll be going with the flow. You'll be going with the flow. That's how it works. And that's why you don't give it any space, so that you know when something changes. So that when you come back to the text space, you won't be like, what happened? What
Yes.
happened?
Like like that dull person that's not up to the trends.
Yeah, exactly. So I think we've spent so much time today. But Miss Oli, she
Mm-mm.
told us that look up here for the where you write text.
Yeah, but I will still come back
Uh,
tomorrow seeking your help with my website.
mm?
I will still come back tomorrow seeking your help with my website. Thank you very much.
You still do what?
I will come back tomorrow
For
seeking your help with my website.
tomorrow is Sunday.
I know.
Yeah, tomorrow is Sunday. No, but we don't have classes on Sunday.
So who do you want to come back here
Okay,
and
I'll
teach
come
you on
back.
Sunday? You're laughing. So it's till Wednesday. That's when I will be assessing
Oh,
your
what about
project.
Wednesday is when we're supposed to submit and I said I need help.
You need help.
Yeah. The kind of help you can give is not the kind of help AI will give. Else I would have said okay, let me just use AI.
Okay. You know this is a class, right? Same way people are having a graphics class and having a scratch class. I'm having this one. And I can't just randomly start a class with you if others are not meant to be teaching that same day. I don't know if you understand. So I believe you have YouTube. You can go back to all our videos and go through it. And you have AI. That's your best
AI
friend.
does not.
That's what you think.
AI is not
It's
my best
not.
friend.
AI is
AI
my
is not
friend.
my best friend.
AI
AI
is my friend. Okay.
can say
Okay, now
AI is my help body, but um,
it's actually my friend. A help
no, it's
body
not
is
my
can
friend.
be a friend.
It's a
It's
help body, not my
mine.
friend.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. It mustn't be your friend. It's mine. So you should, if you need my help, I think I'll definitely help you on Wednesday. But
Yeah, but
I cannot be online on Monday and Tuesday.
the big but.
You know I've been talking for almost 2 weeks now. Back to back. You don't want me to breathe.
No. Once you're a teacher, you're a teacher. You can't go
That is
back.
your business. So now that you're on holiday, now
That's the
that you're on
same thing.
holiday,
That's the same thing my mom always said. My mom is a teacher too, just not
yeah, but
the
then but
English teacher.
good. But then once there's a break for students, she goes on that break with them, right?
Hmm? For
Does she keep teaching every day
we
for
have
the rest of her
turned
life?
to her students. Once she's on break, she turns to us. I am my
Hey,
sister.
because
And sometimes
hey,
when my best friend comes over, she's also and sometimes when my best friend comes over, she's also
yeah, she's training her kids. She doesn't see it as a job. Can you
yeah,
see the
and
difference?
another thing is I like my mom because she doesn't usually just if someone comes over, for example, say a friend comes over, she will teach and she's teaching us, she will teach a friend too.
Ah, okay,
Yes.
that's nice. That's nice. That's nice.
Okay, thank you
Um,
very much.
you're welcome. I'm just glad that
Don't
you or most of you got something out of this class, even though it's a
I wish
short
to see
one.
you in I wish to see you in future, not virtually.
Same here. Same here.
Okay.
All right, all of you. Bye bye. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye. See you on
everyone.
Wednesday.
See you on Wednesday. So everybody, make sure you have your project ready on Wednesday. See you.
Yeah. God bless.
Bye.
Peace.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye,
Bye.
Paula. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Give
Bye.
me the same layout.
Bye. Bye,
Bye.
Clinton. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.